How to make a pizza on every grill. Today is a very special episode because we are making a pizza on a Kamado grills, ceramic grills. They are really special tools to make a pizza on. They are practically built with a pizza stone. Let's start it. So today we are making pizza on two Kamado grills, Kamado Bono from Lithuania and Kamado Joe from States. It's not a comparison video. We're not comparing two separate grills. We are comparing two methods to make a pizza on a grill. They're arranged in a completely different way. Let's check the Kamado Bono. First, I started plenty of amazing charcoal. Huge pieces of charcoal inside this grill, and I added only one piece of wood. It will give me a bit of fire and a bit of smoke, just like in a Neapolitan style pizza oven. And then I've put one diffuser between the charcoal and the pizza stone. That's a method I've seen somewhere online, so I decided to pizza stone a little bit higher just to make the heat circulation a bit better. We'll see how it works. And the most important thing, we have to open everything up. So this top vents we are opening completely, and bottom vents are also open completely. And now let's make a pizza a bit faster. If you want to see how to make a dough and how to make a pizza, click on the link below, and we'll go to Kamado Joe in just a couple of minutes. Let's keep our fingers crossed. 1 minute and we'll check the pizza. Okay, it was more 3 minutes than 1 minute, but let's check it out. In my opinion, this is an amazing method. Take a look at this. Pizza is done like a beautiful New York style pizza. The mozzarella is brownish, the edges are blackish. So method number one on Kamado Bono grill. In my opinion, this is one of the best pizza I've ever made on a grill. Now let's check Kamado Joe and the second method. Take a look what I've done on this grill. Well, on this Kamado, we also started plenty of beautiful Texas charcoal. We added a little bit of wood, but here, the diffuser, I decided to move to the sides, and pizza stone, I moved close to the edge of the grill. In this setting, I want to reach plenty of heat circulation going this way. And how to achieve that? First of all, we have to close the lid a little bit, but not until the very end. They even sell you the special accessory to leave it open like this. I think this piece of wood will work perfectly, but there's one more very important thing we have to do. We have to close the upper vents in order to make sure that the airflow goes this direction. And now we can try the second pizza. These pizzas are getting smaller and smaller with every episode. And again, I think I have to wait at least 2 or 3 minutes. It was more or less 5 minutes right now, and I think that's it, guys. We have our winner. I don't mean the grill, I mean the method to make a pizza on a Kamado grill. Because this pizza, the bottom is completely done, but the top is a little bit pale. So I guess we have the winner right here. This is awesome. This is not perfect. Why it didn't work? Well, maybe this Kamado is just too big. Maybe it would be better if I push the deflectors back together to make the airflow a bit bigger from the sides. Maybe that was my mistake. Or maybe just the accessory that you can buy is really necessary for this method, because we probably lost a lot of heat from the sides as well, and the accessory is also closed up to here. But anyway, so this is the best method to make a pizza on a Kamado grill. And make sure you subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!